So guys, the BingX exchange have launched a new campaign where they are giving out up to 6,000 USDT. So in this video, I'll be telling you how exactly you can grab this particular opportunity and earn those USDT. Up to 6,000 USDT is ready for you to grab. So I'll be helping you grab it by explaining you the steps in detail one by one in this particular video. So stay with me till the end. It's going to be very easy. So don't miss this particular opportunity. But before starting today's video, let me tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes. So make sure before investing your money in crypto markets or any other markets, consult your own financial advisor, because cryptocurrency and other markets are subjected to risk. So as you can see right now, I am on the page and here it says win up to 6,000 USDT. 20 days are currently there for you to do the task here, and I'll be telling you the task one by one. Before moving on to the campaign, you might already know that BingX is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges right now in the world, and they have some of the unique feature which no other exchange is also providing right now. So some of them are, they are now in the leading position for the exchange which provides copy trading. They also have comprehensive trading option. They obviously have AI powered tools, or you can say it as BingX AI suite. They have automated trading bots along with user friendly interface and very competitive fees comparing to other exchanges, whether it is in spot trading or in the futures trading. So now coming back to the campaign, if you are joining this particular campaign, use the link in the description which is also present in our Telegram channel. So once you open that or click that link, this interface will be popping up. This is for new user zone. You can see it. First and foremost, you can claim the daily check-in rewards, and as soon as you come in here, you will be rewarded for signing up through the link which is present in the description and in the comment section, and also in our Telegram channel. You'll be getting a mystery box where you can win or you can grab rewards up to $30. From 10 to 30 US dollars you can get it by opening the mystery box as soon as you sign up. And the next biggest thing which you are going to get here is for completing your KYC. So every exchange need a KYC. As soon as you complete the KYC here, as you can see, 5 to 500 US dollar worth you are going to get as a reward. That mystery box will be given to you as soon as you complete the advanced identify verification, or you can say advanced identity verification. So once you sign up, you are going to get the reward. Once you complete your advanced KYC, you're going to get the reward. And the next thing, you need to deposit your money. So if you're using an exchange, obviously you're going to deposit the money. If you want to trade, if you want to buy, you are going to deposit the money. So once you make your first deposit, that is your first on-chain deposit or a crypto purchase, you're going to again get a reward up to 500 USDT. Again, the mystery box will be given to you where you can get up to 500 USDT. From 5 to 500 USDT you're going to get. So 3 things you're done and 3 things you are going to get rewarded. This is only because this campaign is with the Nitron Crypto. BingX and Nitron Crypto have tied up together to bring you this particular campaign so that our community can benefit the most. So don't miss it out. So 3 steps we have completed. Next is the first trade. So if you are using any amount for futures or spot trade, you are again going to get a mystery box. Now it is from 10 to 500 USDT, up to 500 USDT you're going to get a mystery box here. There is also option for you to daily check in, and you can check all your rewards in the view reward section, and you can claim those rewards which you have got. And there is also an additional 5,000 USDT as a reward. So this is for trading on futures. Deposit 100 USDT and trade futures creating a volume above 500. That means if you buy and sell using $100, a $200 volume will be generated. Again, if you buy worth of 100 and sell worth of 100, again 200, so almost 400 is completed. One more time, if you do, 500 volume will be completed. You will be getting a 10 USDT trial fund. Using that 10 USDT, if you trade and make a profit, that profit will be yours. So this is for depositing 100. If you deposit 500, 20 trial fund. If you deposit more than 1000 and make a volume of 1000 USDT trading in futures, you are going to get 50. Similarly for 3000, 120. For 5000, it is 200, and it goes on. And if you are someone who is advanced, you have the advanced zone here. You can also gain everyday rewards which has small tasks, and you can do that, and you are going to get airdrop bonanza. The prize pool are shown, the tokens are shown. These are also available here. So this is the complete detail regarding this particular campaign, which is going to give you up to 6,000 USDT in rewards. So hope you guys have understood. I have explained you step by step what things you have to do so that you can claim the reward. So if you have any more doubts, you can tell me in the comment section or reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'll be making sure I'll be answering all of your questions there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have understood the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.